Hello students, come back to our language chapter 5 tenses. Today we will do the exercise. See question number 1A. Rearrange the letters in the brackets to make verbs in the simple present tense. Fill in the blanks with the words. Okay students, when you write the question answers, please write in complete sentence or in full sentence. No need of please don't write only these answers. You have to write full sentence. Question number 1. Where dash the ball? Here answers are given, but it is unjumbled. This we have to rearrange. Throws the ball. Second, Fally swings the bat. Third, the bat strikes the ball. Fourth, the ball flies through the air. Fifth, it goes over the fence. Sixth, the crowd cheers loudly. 7. Fally waves at the crowd. Now, we will see what is present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to talk about something that is happening at the time of speaking. While speaking, at this time, the action which is going on, in that case, we use the present continuous tense. We use is, am, are plus ing form of the verb to make the present continuous tense. For example, Arpita is writing an email. The children are studying. Now this time the Arpita is writing the email and the children are also studying. Compare these sentences in the simple present and the present continuous tenses. Now, here comparison is made. I eat ice cream. This is simple present tense, and present continuous tense is I am eating ice cream. Rima plays badminton. Rima plays badminton every day. Now here Rima is playing badminton. At this time Rima is playing badminton. Number B. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Veena likes to eat mangoes. She is eating one right now. Means here the comparison is made. Okay, first one is simple present tense and second sentence is simple present continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense. Number 2. The shopkeeper sells shoes. He is selling them at a discount today. The boy is smiling. He smiles when he sees his mother. 4. Suhani is reading her storybook. She reads it regularly. Number 5. Darlene is dancing on the stage. She dances gracefully. Number 6. Sarah is buying Christmas gifts. Sarah buys them every year. Number 7. Amina is talking to her sister on the phone. She talks to her every week. Number 8. Reena goes for her music class every day. She is going there right now. Again, here we have simple past tense where we use the simple past tense to talk about things that have already happened. The action shown by a verb in this tense is already over. Means in simple past tense the action is already over. It already have happened. We add d or ed to a verb to form its past tense. For example, share, shared. Jump, jumped. I shared my lunch with my friends. Today I have shared my lunch with my friends. The dog jumped over the fence. Just now the dog jumped over the fence. Sometimes we completely change the spelling of the verb also. So here we have example see, saw, buy, bought. We see here, we saw a beautiful sunset. I bought fruits from the market. Now we will do the C number. Complete the paragraph with the past tense of the verbs in brackets. In the brackets already verbs are given that we have to write in the form of past tense. Heidi woke up early the next morning all at once. She remembered that she was in a big city. The thick curtains drawn across the window shut the blue sky away. There was a knock at the door. Breakfast is ready, announced the maid. Heidi dressed quickly and went to the dining room. There Clara greeted her with a friendly smile. After breakfast, Miss Rottenmeier told Heidi to go to the library with Clara and wait for the tutor. When the tutor arrived, the two girls started studying. Mrs. Rottenmeier soon heard a crash, followed by shouts. She rushed to the library and saw a frightening sight. The table was overturned in the middle of the floor. A stream of ink trickled slowly across the room. Heidi was nowhere to be seen. This is a story, and this is already we have to fill up the verbs with the past form of the verbs, past tense, in the past tense. Okay, so students, if you like to write this one in the copy, you can write. Otherwise, this one don't write in the copy. C number only. Okay, other numbers you have to write. We use the simple future tense to talk about things that have not yet happened and will happen later or soon. Means when we speak the action which will happen in the future or after sometimes later, then we use simple future tense. We use the word will before the verbs to form the simple future tense. Examples: Narendra will travel to Chennai next week. Narendra, when we will travel? He will travel to Chennai next week. Ruhi will go to the library in the afternoon. Ruhi will go to library in the afternoon only. So we will do the D number. Change these sentences as shown. Here the sentences are given. We have to change into simple future tense. I am already reading the answers. Please, while you write the answers, see your question also. My uncle will fly an aeroplane. Rajat will go to the market. Vani will ask a lot of questions. My mother will cook delicious food. Adil will write a letter to grandma. Everyone will bring lunch to school. Rani will stay with her aunt. Pretty flowers will bloom in this garden. So, when you write the question answers, write first question, then only write the answer. Now, E number. What will Yamini do in the summer holidays? Write a sentence for each picture. Use the simple future tense. Here, what Yamini is going to do in her summer holidays, we have to write in simple future tense. She will visit the Taj Mahal. She will go for walks with her grandfather. She will go for a swim during her summer vacation. So students, here we finish our chapter 5 sentences. All of you write in your copy neatly, and it should be cleared, and in full sentence you have to write the answers, not only the, please don't write only the answers. Thank you.